What's going on there? What's this? Look at. You okay? Are you okay? Did I hurt you? Come. Come to the car. Where's your bag? That's it. Is this really bad? I don't... Yes. You're welcome. This is my house, and you're safe here. Let me take you to your room so you can freshen up. If I may ask, what were you doing there at that middle of the night?
It's a very long story.
Long story. Would you mind sharing this story with me? Oh, sorry, by the way, my name is Donald.
My name is Magrel.
Oluchi, I want to see that wonderful lake running through the ancient tunnel. I've heard so much about it.
My princess, we may have missed our way. We are in Otutu territory and they are very hostile people.
But you said you know the way.
Yes, I thought I knew, but I've missed the track. Please, let's go back.
Okay. We'll go back. Start from the beginning.
Okay, my princess.
Not so fast! This is the territory! Is that the bounds for you?
Please, we are very sorry. We missed our way. Yes, let's go.
Don't stop! You must be the princess of the kingdom.
No, yes. No.
This is a big fish in our hands. You are coming with us!
No. We're sorry, please. Let's just go back. My father was very angry with you, please. Princess, we have to keep running.
Running to where, Oluchi? We've been running since the seconds.
Yes. But we have to keep running, please.
Please. My whole body is shaking.
Sorry.
My maid. She missed the way. We're sorry for trespassing. Please don't kill us.
Come with me. Come with me. Do you want to leave? Or do you want to die?
We want to leave.
Yes.
Then come with me. Oh.
He's safe here. He's safe here for you to go home on your own.
Thank you very much.
Please be mindful next time. This bush is very dreadful. You might not be this lucky next time.
There will never be a next time.
Thank you so much, sir. My princess, let us go.
What's your name? Where did he go?
He has gone.
I wanted to ask him his name.
My princess, let us go, please. Please.
Fools! Charlatans! So your plan is to kill my daughter?
I left my only daughter in your care. You cannot guide her with your lives.
That is not your fault. I asked him to stay back.
Do you know what those savages would have done to you? These idiots here were not supposed to let you off their sides.
Sorry.
Now get out of here!
Mama? Mama? Yahoo! Yahoo!
Hey! Yeah, because...
Hey! This guy is an understatement. Yes.
This one is beautiful.
Very, very, very.
This one is beautiful. Hey! Because I was wondering why you didn't come back on time. I forgot the reason.
I searched all my traps in the fish. Then I got this.
Hey! Why? People. Amam! Were you in there?
Mama.
Amam, I know that we decided to follow your late father's footsteps. You will do better.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Why didn't you say before coming home?
Sell?
Hey!
No, don't say that again. No. I brought this so we eat it. We have to enjoy this one.
Hey! Nah.
Let me go and roast it so you use some and cook okra soup for me.
I go work.
Then you reserve some in the Ngiga.
Odabu! Odabu!
Yeah, Mama.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah. Since I came back home, I'll have fun, man. That kid restricting me. Everybody keeps saying, come on, you're a prince, a parent to the truth. Come on, let me have fun, man. The last time I had this fun was in America. Since I came back, my father has been restricting me. Some doing this, some doing that.
Yeah, and I'm going to get it hot.
You know what is bakayoko?
No.
You done bakayoko before?
No.
Bakayoko?
No.
Then do bakayoko.
Oh, I hope you like it.
Come on.
What can me, my friend? What?
What's this?
No, get out. Get out. Get out.
What is the meaning of this? Dad, at least you should have knocked to respect my privacy. Huh? I was doing nothing. I was just having fun with the mamas. Only a stupid boy with no sense of decency will behave the way you're doing. But please, I'm not more a boy. Grown up. I'm not a man. Then act it. I will not have you bring prostitute into this hallowed palace. Then desecrate in it. This is the very last time I'll take this from you. Come on, continue like this, I'm going to go back to the States. Then you have no prince, no apparent to your throne will be vacant.
Honey, I think you should calm down.
Helen, you keep telling me to calm down. Things are getting worse. You keep telling me to calm down.
Honey, working yourself up is not going to help the situation either. Instead, you will strain your mind. And you know that is not good enough for your health.
Now listen to me. How am I going to put in order a man who is old enough to be a husband and a father?
I think you know what to do, my husband. Yes. Princess Margaret's birthday comes up in a fortnight. This is the time for us to step in and do the needful. It is time for us to settle them as man and wife. By so doing, Walter will start being responsible. Yes.
I think you're right.
This love is beautiful. Look at the way it is sweet. When you find someone that loves you. It is sweet, yeah. Love.
Mama, welcome, Mama.
Welcome.
Meet me inside.
Is Mama okay?
I don't know. I'm going to find out now. Do not move an inch. I am coming now.
Which is my command?
This love is beautiful. Look at the way it is sweet. When you find someone that loves you. It is sweet, yeah. Love. Unconditional love. It is sweet. My love will have no boundaries. And we're a band.
What is she doing there? Ego!
This girl is very stupid. Huh? Oh. Mama, you called me. Yes. What is he doing here? I don't understand. What kind of a question is that?
Don't even give it to me. Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Mama, why are you talking like this? Eh? Why are you talking as if you don't know who Chinedu is to me?
No, you're asking me. Eh? Which man in his right senses will be in a woman's house by this time? Which man that is not useless, senseless and stupid that will be in a woman's house by this time when his mates are out there trying to make money? Eh?
Why are you acting as if it's Chinedu's fault that he does not have a job? Remember, he is a graduate. He graduated from College of Education and you know that.
Just listen to yourself. College of Education. While his mates are going to the universities. So that if they come out, they will get a better work. Another College of Education as if for school. There is no excuse for failure. That's your Chinedu is a complete failure.
I reject
and he will always be a failure.
He is not a failure, Mama. He is not a failure.
If he is not a failure, why is he coming here to eat? Every time you will carry my hard-earned money the food I cooked with my hard-earned money, you will carry it and go to his house and give him. You think I don't know? I know everything. I just decided to pretend as if I don't know. Hey!
Mama, please, it's okay. I am not going to stay here and watch you insult my boyfriend. You have to stop!
Boyfriend?
I know that one day Chinedu is going to make it, and that day you are going to regret it.
Never ever!
What is he?
Who will beg him? He is not going to make it anything, no. Not going to make it. The earlier you leave him, the better for you. That's what I'm doing. One day I will pour hot water on him. Let him continue coming to this house. Eh? There are people that are destined to be poor, and Chinedu is one of them. He will never make it in life. Why should my daughter be wasting her time on him? Eh? Useless man. Eh?
Tell my dad, how was this year's birthday? How do you want it to be? Because you've not come up with the list of what you want to do and the things you want to buy. You will celebrate it at all.
Of course, Mom. I will.
So tell me.
I want to celebrate it with the poor and the needy.
Wow. Interesting. Tell me more.
I want to reach out to the sick in the hospital, the widows, and my kids will help.
Really? That means you'll be needing some large quantity of food stuff and medical supply.
Exactly.
This is taking long. Time is short. Why haven't you got all the list?
You don't have to worry yourself. Every arrangement you have taken care of.
Wow. And you didn't include us in your planning? How about the money to buy those?
Oh, don't worry yourself. I have handled all that.
My daughter is really grown. I love that. But that wouldn't stop us from partying, at least a little.
Okay, Mom, we'll party. Because I know you love party a lot.
That makes life go round.
As old as you are, Mommy, you still love party.
Allow me to enjoy my life.
Oluchi, my princess, I've been thinking about the guy that rescued us the other time.
Thinking about him.
My princess. Oh, come on, Oluchi. Not like thinking. But you know, he really did a lot for us. I want you to look for him.
How? He's not even an indigene of this community and we don't know his name.
I know. But I want you to find him.
Okay, I'll try my best. Meanwhile, Anthony called.
Oh, he did?
Yes.
What did he say?
He said they had a little delay in Lagos, but the supply will be shipped the weekend.
What did you say? Exactly what you heard me say. It's not possible. Why? What do you mean why? You don't expect me to give birth to a child outside wedlock. I can't do that.
So what do you want?
You know exactly what I want.
Another abortion?
You are talking as if I have a choice.
You do have a choice. Of course you do. See, sweetheart, we have a choice. Let us keep the baby.
Keep the baby and feed him with what? You don't have a job, Chino. You live with your mother. How do you expect me to cope with the child when you can't even feed us? So let me tell you, you are not the one that's supposed to be angry. I I am the one who's supposed to be angry and disappointed here. Because it's my body that will go under the knife and not yours. If it's about the money that you're thinking about, don't worry. I will take care of it.
For how long? For how long?
For as long as you learn to keep your mouth to yourself.
How are you? Fine. I went to the beach. Yes, I'm just coming from all the animals. All that. It's like they notice your presence. Yes. I want to check something here. Okay. Take care.
Oluchi, are you sure you looked for him or you went about your personal business?
Princess, you cannot send me my parents and go about your business. I searched for him, not only in this community, go through the neighboring communities, but no one seems to know.
Are you saying there are no hunters in those communities?
We do, but what do you know about this?
So you're trying to tell me that it was a ghost who rescued us?
Your father became the first to see you.
Where is he now?
In the sitting room.
I'll bring it now. We must find
I trust you'll get the best umpire.
Daddy.
Oh.
Greetings, Majesty.
Welcome. Oh, yes. Please sit down. Sit. Your mother was just telling me about your plans for your birthday. I couldn't help but wonder why my little princess didn't find it interesting to tell her father about finding her pet project.
Well, let's say that your little princess is no longer little. I am now a full-grown woman with high sense of responsibility.
Very impressive. Speaking about grown women and responsibilities, I think it is high time we talked about your marriage with Prince Walter. As you know, that my relationship with Igwe Dennis had spanned over 35 years.
I'm aware.
Good. Prince Walter had just returned from the States. He's about to take over his father's business, and you two, you are set to take over mine. It will be great to see both of you work together to further strengthen our relationship on the business alliance.
Sure.
Of course, he will come with his father to grace your birthday. Hope you like it.
To be an honor, Dad.
Oh.
I would love to take the lead.
You have my permission.
See you around, Mom.
Alright, my darling. You take care.
You too, Mommy.
She's buying it on the idea.
Of course.
Trust me. Keep it up.
Doing my job very well.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. She's a jolly good fellow, for she's a jolly good fellow, for she's a jolly good fellow. And that says all of us, that says all of us, hooray! That says all of us, hooray! She's a jolly good fellow, for she's a jolly good fellow, for she's a jolly good fellow. That says all of us, hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray!
You're going to be cutting your birthday cake at the spelling of love. Because your daddy and I love you so much. L-O-V and E.
It's a story of a young man who loves a lady so much that Everyone goes to the house to fetch water. They can always, they heal their own father. On the fateful day, he decided to do the same he does every day. And discovered that this is the Lord leading to another man's marriage. He became upset. He came like as usual and discovered that the girl he loved so much was being given out in marriage. He got upset and started shouting. He said, what do you think? Why don't you know I come here every day because this girl to fetch firewood for you? And I said, oh, come on, son. You told us that you love that doctor. You would have been the first candidate.
Oh, we do. I know. Like the smoky, nevertheless.
Let's go to
honest.
Yes. He had said that he loved the girl. He does not say that. So today, do not let us pretend that I'm here just only for the birthday. Because my son is interested.
I understood. Just talking about I've not spotted rich spot around that the ball is wearing.
You know my son always cheats.
Oh.
You never can tell you that still I don't know where to come after.
You know better. Please, let's go to the party.
Yeah,
I shouldn't be a bomb, are we? No. Shouldn't be a bomb.
How are you? How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Why, Norma? All this while I've been sending message across to you to come and see me, but you have refused to honor any of my calls.
I refused.
Why?
Any problem?
Why?
What do you mean by why? Do I have any business with you?
Look, Ego, I like you so much. Yeah, it's me.
You like me?
Yes.
What kind of like? Because there are different types of likes. Is it Christianity like, agape like? Which one?
Ego, I like you a lot. Well, just as I told your mother, I would like to marry you.
My mother? Yes. So you have been going to see my mother?
Of course, I've been seeing your mother.
What for?
Ego, I want to make you my wife. I want to make this world a better place for you. I will reach you and adore you if you marry me.
You want to marry me?
Of course.
I should marry you. The way you are looking. Like this. If not for the love I have for elderly people, I would have insulted you. I would have said you are mad. That you don't have sense, you're senseless. Let today be the first and last day you ever stop me. We need your waru, chat and pay moto, and come and stop me and start saying rubbish. Nonsense! If I want to marry my ancestors, I will know now. If I want to marry my father, I will prepare myself.
Ego.
What nonsense?
Ego.
Maybe because of too much see finish.
Okay.
You bring this village, you something
no problem.
Somebody. I don't go. Tell me that come and marry me. Even if men are finished, won't I tell my own? I am marrying you. Because you the one is putting on the ground. What is that? Hello.
Ah, Princess. How are you?
I'm okay.
Please, excuse me, okay? My princess, what are you doing here?
Well, today is my birthday and I decided to come celebrate with the women who make it possible for us to stand.
You're such a wonderful person. Congratulations on your birthday.
Thank you, Hunter.
My name is Kingsley.
Okay, Kingsley. Well, it's a good day to see you. I mean, I have searched for you everywhere. So at least show my appreciation for what you did for us the last time.
Okay, nice to see you.
And would you mind joining us?
It's okay, let's go. Okay, bye. Wow, nice to see you, princess.
Same here.
You actually recognized me.
Of course. I've been looking for you. Here.
Okay. Wow. This is huge. Oh, this is
Miss Edo, do you understand the implication of all this series of abortion?
But what can I do, doctor? Eh? The owner of the pregnancy has denied it. Eh? What else can I do?
This is the fourth time you are coming to me with the same sentence. Don't you think you either have protected sex or abstain from it completely?
Abstain from sex? Oh, sorry, doctor. I will attend to what you just said later. But for now, let's do the abortion.
She's taking too much time. Are you sure she did not go far?
No. She didn't go far. She'll soon be back, I know. I'm sure of that.
Okay, if you say so, I wait.
Here she is. I told you she didn't go far.
My beauty.
After my daughter. No. Ego, come here. Did you not see our guest?
Ego. Ego. Ego, what is the meaning of what you just did now?
What did I do?
At least you have to show respect for him to sacrifice his busy schedule and come to see you.
Which useless schedule are you talking about?
Eh? Ego, I was going to get on a here. From the information I got, both of you have seen before. So why are you pretending as if you don't know him? Or why he is here?
See where? In the spiritual world or in the physical? Wait, Mama, please! I don't want to believe that you want me to marry that man as his fourth wife. Is that what you're saying?
What is wrong with that?
Jesus.
Does it matter how many wives he has? The most important thing is he able to cater for you? Is he able to do whatever you want and give you whatever you need? That is the most important thing. So how with how many wives he has? If he like, let him marry the whole world or 20 wives or whatever. I don't care.
Mama, I am ashamed of you. Mama, you don't have shame at all. So you want me, your daughter, to marry that old cargo, that man, that bulldozer, as his fourth wife? Are you stupid? Are you deaf? Are you useless? Don't you know I'm your mother? You don't have to talk to me in that manner. I feed you, I clothe you, I take care of you, including that idiot that used to come here every day to eat my food. You must marry that man whether you like it or not. I will not marry him! I will not marry him! You must marry him! Come back here! Come back here! You must marry him! Come! Who will you not marry? Eh? Hey! Hey! Marami!
What a pleasant surprise.
This must be your mother. Welcome, my princess.
Greetings, ma.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Oh, what are you eating?
I am eating roasted yam and oil.
Ooh.
It's a what?
Mind if I join you?
Princess, I don't think you're going to like this kind of food.
Is that a yes?
Why not? Wash your hand.
Thank you.
I just hope you like it.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
The taste is divine. Oluchi,
My princess,
why don't we have things like this in the palace?
I'm going to prepare it for you once we get to the palace.
Princess, they really
I love it. Come on, you made this.
Yes, so.
Goodness gracious me.
You know, Chow. She never told you where she was going to?
Yes, my king.
Have I not warned you severally not to let her leave the palace without your knowledge of her whereabouts?
I'm sorry, my king. You sent me on an errand. She was already gone before I got back.
Get out! My son, did you try reaching her on phone?
Yes. I tried reaching her separately. The number is switched off.
This is unbelievable. Well, not to worry. I am sure she didn't go far. She was in Ghana. Yes. So how have you been?
Well, fine. Still trying to get used to the tradition.
It's just some of my family. And my friend Ibadan is how is he?
Oh yeah, he's fine. He's doing great and he sends his regards.
Oh, as usual.
Alright. Please send.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the food. I am grateful.
I should be the one thanking you for finding us worthy to eat in my house. Oh, no. I am so happy. I am grateful. Oh, indeed, we are a different breed. Never has it been heard that Princess of Onry ate with a commoner. Oh, no. But you found me worthy. Thank you.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, my princess, let me walk you. Meanwhile, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
I hope you enjoyed.
I did. I want to know if it's possible to see you again. I mean, if you don't mind.
Yes, I would love to see you. I would love to see you again, yes.
You will?
Yeah.
Okay. In that case, see you soon.
So your mother wants you to marry that man?
Yes, that's what she wants. But that's her business, not mine.
It's okay.
It's okay. Is that all you have to say? And why is your face like that?
How do you want me to react to the news of you getting married to another man?
And who said I am going to get married to another man apart from you?
But he has money. He has money.
So?
And plus your mother, she hates me. Your mother will do everything possible to frustrate my relationship with you.
You don't have to worry about my mother. I have been handling my mother and I will continue to handle her. The most important thing is that I love you. That's what matters.
Really?
What do you mean, really? Is it that you doubt my love for you?
It's not that I doubt your love for me. I mean, I'm so insecure because of my condition.
My love, you don't have to. I love you and nothing, no one can separate
It is sweet, yeah. Love, unconditional love. It is sweet. My love will have no boundary. And we're a boundary child. People love more. You're my love. My love has no boundary. And we're a boundary child. People yank more. You're my love.
Where have you been? Why didn't you tell anyone that you were going to?
Dad, I've told you to stop bothering yourself each time I step out of the palace. I can take care of myself.
That's what you did when you almost got killed in the bush.
Oh, Mom, that was different.
Really?
Well, Prince Walter was here earlier on to look for you. We tried your phone, but he was not put through.
Really?
Oh, really? So you weren't expecting it?
No, Mom. He should learn to call me before coming to see me.
Oh, come on, Margaret. He's your husband-to-be. Does he need a passport before coming to see you?
To be, Dad. He's not my husband yet.
Margaret, what's happening
meeting you two?
Nothing, Mom. I'm very tired. I need to reach my sleep. Take a shower. Right?
Hello, my love.
Hey, your love.
Hey, Mama.
Oh,
You are at home.
you expected me not to be at home, right? Eh? It shocked you. Now I'm not around. Because this is exactly the time you used to come to my house to eat my food. You have no shame on you. Just look at you. A young man like you, you are wasting your time on a girl that will soon leave you and marry a more responsible, respectful, and richer man. Eh?
Why are you this hostile to me? Why? What did I do wrong to you?
How did you feel like that? The question should be, what have you not done to me? Chinelo, what have you not done to me? Instead of you to keep bleaching on my daughter, is it not better for you to go and join stealing? To steal? Yes! If you don't want to steal, you join all these Yahoo boys. Eh? Look at you. All the parts of your body are complete. You can use one part and do money rituals for your even it will be better.
Instead of me to do money ritual or even join Yahoo boys, I better die of hunger.
Ow!
Free aqua.
Kind of wonder. Or then don't come back. He don't wonder. How would I not do it then? It's better for you to do that because hunger, you are already dead. Hunger will go back. In our water, my daughter will soon leave you and marry. Bambiala, Nenum Togo, Bambiala, Bambiala, Nenum Togo, Nenum Sisi, Bambiala, Nenum Togo, Nenum Sisi, Bambiala, Nenum Togo, Bambiala, Nenum Sisi, Nenum Togo, Nenum Sisi, Nenum Togo, Nenum Sisi, Nenum Togo, Bambiala, Nenum Sisi, Bambiala, Nenum Togo. Alago, Anofia. Chinedu, come back and marry. Look at you, a poverty-stricken young man. You cannot provide anything. Money, clothes, you want to marry my daughter. Wretchedness kill you and your people there. Eh? I'm not fair again. Just imagine. It will not work out for you. It will never work out for you. Man, no one. I know of ya. Bambiala, Yenum Togo, Yenum Sisi, Yenum Togo, Yenum Sisi, Yenum Togo, Yenum Sisi, Bambiala, Yenum Togo, Yenum Sisi.
My princess, I greet you.
Greetings, Kingsley.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How are you?
I'm well.
I can see you're ready for your daily activity.
Oh yes, as you can see.
Okay, so can I join you?
My princess, you can't. I am going right inside the forest.
I know, but I love adventure into nature.
My princess, see, you can't be curious.
I insist, Kingsley.
My princess. He is right. Remember our last adventure.
I cannot be with a hunter and get hunted.
My princess, what about the king? He will be very angry.
Are you going to tell him? I thought as much.
But my princess, what about me? I can't go to the palace without you. If I go to the palace without you, I'll have serious questions to answer.
Oluchi,
My princess.
I'm sure you know what to do.
What can I help you with the bag?
So, let's go. Come on.
After you.
Oluchi, go.
Okay, my princess.
Let's go.
Okay, after you.